So guys, this is question number 33 which I'm going to explain you all, and we are going to calculate the sum of even number from 1 to n. So in this step 1 you define the upper limit of the range n, and in the example we set n is equal to 10. Come to the step 2, we have to initialize variable. Here you create a variable sum to store the sum of even number and initialize it to 0. Come to the step 3. In this step you use a for loop to iterate through the range from 2 to n, and taking step of 2 plus is equal to 2. This ensures that you only consider even number inside the loop. You add each even number to the sum variable. Come to the step 4, output the result. Finally you use console.log to display the sum of even number from 1 to n. When you run this code with n set to 10, it will show you output the sum of even number from 1 to 10 is 30. So this is question number 33 which I explained to you all. Let's meet in the question number 30.